I mainly make my videos for people who dream bigger, who want more. If you have a great job, you're happy, most of the time my videos aren't for you. My videos are usually for someone who needs more, whether it's because they really need it or they want to get somewhere else in life. Because some of us enjoy luxury, some of us see people living, a certain way, and we want that. We want to seek that. Everyone's not satisfied, just getting by or living comfortable. So now that we have that out the way, how should you be making money in 2024 as far as efficiency? You most likely know nothing about online entrepreneurship. What's the quickest way? Always tell people the quickest way is to hop into education. Education is the quickest way because it is exactly what it is. If you're someone in a network marketing company selling a health and wellness product, you have to go through, does it work? What can it do for me? And you have to have people passionate enough to keep, buying the products, etc. It's a way harder business model. When it comes to education, just like you're here right now, looking to make more money online, is exactly how 90% of my audience is. Some people are going to be looking for something get rich quick, but most of the people just want to know how. How do I utilize social media? How does YouTube work? How does Instagram work? So they'll pay for that knowledge if they feel like you can over deliver. So a lot of the times in my content, I give a lot of value. I give a lot of hints. I give a lot of sauce, or gems, for you who don't understand that slang. And that bridges people into the major products. And most importantly, you just have to be authentic, but also ethical. Because what a lot of people will do is they'll upsell you to these different products that are no good and you just still are lost. You'll be surprised how many 7, 8, 9-figure earners have a list of people who still don't know what's going on. Making the money is not what should lead you into a program. You need to figure out what's in that program. There's many people who've made a lot of money from luck, knowing the right people, being in the right moments. Just for example, this video can go viral and do 2 million views, and half of those people go click my website. I'm most likely gonna make some money, but that's not to say that I knew exactly, the secret to make that video do 2 million views. Some of it is luck. Some of it is just maybe this video is a hit or miss. So make sure whatever it is that you're buying, it works, or it gives you the value you need, so to say. There's many different digital products. I have many different things that I do. A lot of it's automated. The main thing you want to learn in this industry is automation, email response, SMS response, funnel building, meaning, yes, I'm gonna do some talking here, but more so the product is going to be explained in the system. So my only job is to influence people to go to my website. And that's what's selling for me. When I'm eating, when I'm asleep, you're going to be watching videos on my system that's going to give you either a free download, show you a sales page that's going to deliver the product. That's the meat. The second part of it is, knowing some psychology on how people think. What gets people moving? What gets them moving to want to go to the website? Some people are lazy, some people are skeptical. What can you do to get them to not be those two things long enough for them to want to know what it is that you do? What can you do to make people want to know what it is that you do? How can you deliver this content? That's where most of our work is at. Actually shooting the video, uploading the video is not the key. Those other things on the back end is what's really going to take you to the next level. You can shoot a video that's not 4K and it goes viral. You can shoot something with not so much sales psychology and then it goes viral. But when people go to that back end and that website, is it polished, clean, professional, and compliant enough to convert? So this industry is a lovely thing. I love when I get to shoot outside, not so much equipment, because it shows you how simple it is. Yes, I've been in this industry since 2015, so I can press record and do my thing. Yes, I can cut up this video, make it super polished and flashy, or I can just give it to you raw. Not sure, it depends on how I feel. And that's what it should be about. It depends on how you feel. If you want to wake up and go make $20,000, that should depend on what you want to do. It shouldn't depend on what you're able to do. And in most 9-to-5s, you're only able to reach a certain potential. Doesn't matter how hard you work. So if you want more information on exactly what I do, I'll either leave my number in the description where you can send me a text, or there's going to be a website that you can go there. Most of the time you're going to get a free product, free course. I don't do ebooks. I do real free valuable stuff. But also you're going to see, one of my opportunities. It just depends on what video you catch, but all my opportunities can make you a lot of money. That's all I do. I don't like to do anything that can't make you a lot of money. So it doesn't really matter what you join me in, long as you really are focused, believe in it, and really want to do this, guys. Appreciate you watching.